Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. The knife is compact and portable. The EDC knife handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable and exceptional grip in all conditions. And printed with a distinctive and eye-catching American flag, it's a unique presence. The knife is compact and portable. The EDC knife handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable and exceptional grip in all conditions. And printed with a distinctive and eye-catching American flag, it's a unique presence in the pocket knife and folding knife category. Best folding knife pocket for patrons. Convenient and secure. Cool tactical folding knife comes with lock. Ensure the blade stays open during use, preventing accidental closure, and user peace of mind. It's compact size and pocket clip, safer in your pocket, convenient for every day. It's 100%. The knife is compact and portable. The EDC knife handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable and exceptional grip in all conditions. And printed with a distinctive and eye-catching American flag, it's a unique presence in the pocket knife and folding knife category. Best folding knife pocket for patrons. Convenient and secure. The cool tactical folding knife comes with lock. Ensure the blade stays open during use, preventing accidental closure, and user peace of mind. It's compact size and pocket clip, safer in your pocket, convenient for every day. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. EDC Fans Pocket Folding. The knife is compact and portable. The EDC knife handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable and exceptional grip in all conditions. And printed with a distinctive and eye-catching American flag, it's a unique presence in the pocket knife and folding knife category. Best folding knife pocket for patrons. Convenient and secure. The cool tactical folding knife comes with lock. Ensure the blade stays open during use, preventing accidental closure, and user peace of mind. It's compact size and pocket clip, safer in your pocket, convenient for every day. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. EDC Fans Pocket Folding Knife provides a lifetime guarantee against defects, and I will throw a link up in the description on where and how you can purchase this. So that's my video on the EDC carry knife with American flag. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.